She's about to have a second lamb. There's her first. She's about to have a second. As you can see, there's the little hoof at the top. There's the water. She's about to have the lamb. And this lamb's been licked, it's all healthy. The other lamb is over there. And here's the sheep. Pushing a lot. There's the lamb. She's pushing. It's coming out. Other lambs there. Alive, pushing it. It's coming. He's pushing. The lamb's coming out. He's pushing it. She's quite an old ewe having this lamb. She's very sore. She must not just push. She must just push. Her last little bit, she must just push it now. It's coming, it's alive. It's out. The lamb's out. Here are the two twins. And that one's alive. This is the firstborn lamb. That other one is the second. She had that lamb right there. This lamb was born. And now she's just having a little bit of grace. This sheep is busy licking her baby, and as soon as they stand up, we're going to take them back to the camp with fresh food and water. And there's all the rest of the sheep. The mother's just busy grazing.
Please like and subscribe.